everyone, welcome to Self Makeup Mastery channel, and here we are with another makeup look which is very traditional and quick and easy makeup. So here I'm doing a brown smoky eye which is paired with very simple and neutral coral peachy lipstick. Here I'm wearing one of the traditional color sari or a traditional combo that you can call, which is paired with mehendi green and brown. And for this, I have used kasu neck piece, which is very small, and then paired with the jhumkas. Let's get to the step-by-step tutorial. So guys, now to start with, I'm going to clean my face and then apply moisturizer. So for this sari, as you see, it's very traditional and very old color combination. So what I thought I would go for glowy finish and smoky eye, brown smoky eye. Okay, cleaning your face is very important when it comes to makeup. So if you really want to go for a dewy finish makeup, I think the first thing is your skin preparation. That is your must. So here I'm going with moisturizer, and also I'm going to use a setting spray to hydrate my skin well. You can use a primer if you have open pores. Let this settle. So meanwhile, we'll do our eye makeup. You have to prep your eyes before you do your eye makeup. So here I'm just using mousse on the eyelid to blend it and tap with your fingers. So here I'm using Inglot gel liner, using a fluffy eyeshadow brush here. So taking gel liner directly. This is cream based and it is in black in color. So always keeping the black at the center of the eyes and gently moving to and fro, starting closer to the eyelid. See, if you notice, I'm not using on the inner corner, just at the center, and just roughly building the product. Just blending it, and if you actually see my eye, my hands, I'm holding at the end so that I get a feathery finish, no harsh blend. It's very smooth, and with that I'm just slowly taking it to the crease line. But if you see, it gives a faded effect. Okay, it doesn't have to be very precise right now. We will get into the precision later. I'm just going to do the same thing on the other eye as well. All you need to do is make sure you take a close-up look. I'm just holding a small mirror in my hand. Otherwise, you will not know if there is any patches, blank spaces while you blend. Again, feathery blend to the crease. Now you know you have done this with a cream based, right? So any cream based will melt down after a while. So you need to pat it up with a powder based product. You can use a brown eyeshadow. So here I have two palettes. So let me show you. One is from Smashbox. You can see the brown here. These two. And the other one is from Mars palette, the brown. So I'm going to use this particular color and let me pat it completely. See, when you take a lighter shade of brown, automatically the black starts neutralizing. Just taking off the excess. I'm taking a gold eyeshadow and going for the inner corner. And just blending it out. Now let's go with the face, but before we go, let me hydrate the face once again after moisturizer and give couple of minutes to dry out. Let me clean up the edges of the eyes. I think that looks perfect. And now for the face, I'm using Lakme Mousse, directly taking it from the brush and applying all over the face. I just love this because it gives very smooth finish, just skin-like. If you have very less discoloration, you don't need any concealer as well. Now here for the compact, I'm going with K-Beauty. Always press the product into the skin. Quickly going with contour and blush. And both are from Smashbox palette here. So here comes the highlighter. Do you see the shine? Now let's groom the brow. There you go, my eyebrows are done. And for the lipstick here, I'm using Maybelline Velvet Teddy, very light shade. The only reason is I'm keeping my eyes very bold. Okay, let's move on to the eyes. So let's move on to the eyes, which is the last section here. So I'm using Kajal. and then taking a liner, going for the inner V corner. So I'm leaving this out. I'm not filling any kajal there. Lightly extending another liner to make it look like it has a dual wing, okay? Very feathery like. Now for this we'll go for a bindi, a very small and tiny brown, and I'm going to keep a little higher. Yeah. Let's see if it's getting down. I think this is fine. We'll go with this. So here's the last part. We'll go with the lashes and mascara. So let me glue the lashes and come back. So this is a look, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. The major part here in this makeup was the eye makeup, and I really wanted to show you the brown smoky eye that is paired with the copper shade. Generally, the copper shades are used in the center. So here I've used the first half of the eyes, so that looks a little different and keeps the the darker shade on the half of eyelid. So I hope you really like this tutorial, the dual wing, and I would like you to try and tell me how did you find this makeup look. If you have any makeup lovers, do share this tutorial with them. And thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.